पुराने गाने, पुराने दोस्त, घर की यादें और इलायची चाय।
उबलते पानी में इलायची, चाय की पत्ती और चीनी डालें। कुछ देर गैस पे उबलने दें। इलायची चाय तभी अच्छी बनेगी जब आप यूज करेंगे रेनबो इवेपोरेटेड मिल्क, जो बना है ताजे दूध से। इसका रिच और क्रीमी टेस्ट चाय में जान डाल दे।
इतना सिंपल, घर की याद दिला दी।
रेनबो इवेपोरेटेड मिल्क, चाय का परफेक्ट मैच।
Rainbow Top Gun Season 3.
Welcome back to Rainbow Top Guns. We're here with Dr. Ram Buksani. Dr. Buksani, when you first came to Dubai, it was 1959. What was the Emirate like at that time?
It was a very small village type city. I'll feel that it was not more than half a kilometer on Dubai side and half a kilometer on their side. When I came to Dubai, there was no telephone. So we had no other way of communication except going personally and meeting the people.
You basically started at one of the lowest positions you possibly could and finish at the top. What was the first transaction you did, or the first moment where you actually made the transition?
It's very interesting. As an office assistant, I was supposed to do only clerical work back in office. And when I saw that I'm not getting an opportunity for showing any business skill, and felt that there is opportunity in the company to show myself, one day went in the market, visited a couple of customers and finalized the business. That encouraged me that yes, I can do it. And subsequently, I sold that item to many merchants in Dubai, and that was my start. I went on more and more business activities.
And what time did you become president? When did you take the helm?
I became president about 7 years back.
7 years back.
7 years back.
Okay, so you really worked methodically up the ladder step by step.
Yes. From office assistant to manager to general manager to director, and when I reached the level of director, I could buy some shares in the company because some of the promoters, they passed away, and their successors wanted to quit the company and wanted to sell the shares, and so I bought, and Mr. Murij Mangnani, my colleague, he also bought. Then we became shareholders. And subsequently, old promoters, they passed away. Then their successor also quit. We took all the shares in the company and became 50% owner, 50%.
Do you have any macro business philosophies, North Stars, or principles that guide you as you build the business?
Right from the beginning, I have followed one philosophy in my business, and that is sale. Business is good, sale. Business is bad, sale. Business is normal, sale. And I have learned this from Japan, that every time, every day, you keep on selling.
When and how did you make your first million?
I have always felt, Shane, that the first million in life is quite crucial. Saving is the most important thing in your early part of the life until you reach certain stage. And that certain stage is definitely first million.
What's the biggest challenge you faced in running your business over the last 50 years, I guess?
I would not say that there were no challenges. But the problem is, it's only when you consider them as challenges, it becomes difficult. But if you start facing the situation as they come, there are no more challenges for you.
You've never felt overwhelmed or nervous about a situation? When the war came?
At that time, I was chairman of Indian High School, and many of the teachers, they put in leave applications. And I told them, what would have happened if same situation had risen in your own home country? Where would you have gone? You are here, you should face it. And so personally, I mean, I did not feel it a challenge. We were living here, we had investments here, so we had to look after them, and we have to be besides our host country, people of our host country.
What do you see as the future for the Middle East market, and how do you see the market evolving over the next 5 or 10 years?
If we talk about Dubai, and Dubai model is being adopted by many neighboring countries, as you can see. Saudi is adopting, of course they have got much more potential, but they are adopting. So this place has a lot of potential, and one thing they have found, that they don't depend upon their own population only. Like Dubai considers population of whole Indian subcontinent, which runs into more than 1.5 billion, to be their own population. So whatever they are planning is servicing that big population, and they are going successful there.
From a leadership perspective, what do you see the biggest challenges are of leading a business in the Middle East, and how do you get your staff to take ownership of your strategy and business model?
It's not as easy as it used to be when I came 55 years back. A lot of input has come from European countries, America. So business today run not only principles but professionalism. And the most important thing is to accept the changes. And old-timers and conservatives, they do not accept the changes that fast. But that is the most inevitable part which everyone has to keep. And this evolving, I mean, the change has to be accepted constantly. Now, the change is very fast.
So what's your advice to those young entrepreneurs who want to build a multi-million-dollar or even multi-billion-dollar business?
I feel it's very important in life to show some sort of contentment. By contentment, I don't mean that to accept whatever they get and just stop it. But discontentment does not bring real progress. What I have found in my life, that it is not necessarily always to be unscrupulous to make money.
I think it keep your integrity.
That's correct.
The most important thing.
That's very important.
The man who knows no challenges, but what's he like at home? What's he like as a father? What's he like as a husband? What's he like as a grandfather? We're going to find out right after the break, so stay with us.
My brother-in-law presented me some books of Dale Carnegie. One of it mentioned, be ready for the worst and then try to improve it. And that has inspired me in every field.
Presented by Nokia, inspired by Cadillac.
This is not a phone to just capture beautiful things. This phone captures feelings. It memorizes dream machines and the goosebumps you got when they screamed. To record a jump into the unknown and relive the madness, the dry mouths, the exploding chests. Introducing the large screen new Nokia Lumia 1520 with a full HD display, full HD video recording and distortion-free sound capture. Don't just record, relive.
When you shoot for the moon, you build your courage, test your passion, and persevere.
Still looking very good.
The all-new 2014 Cadillac CTS, a bold journey.